Hello everyone, as you can see here, this is EE Smart Hub home broadband from EE. I got it for nearly a couple of years now, and as you can see, this is the actual old one. It's quite old and I need to upgrade it because the reception it's only okay in this room, but when I go to the kitchen, example right here, okay, there is no reception at all from there to there, maybe 20 meters. So now I'm going to unbox to show you how the new one looks and how to set it up. So first I'm going to open it up. Wow, that's the actual one. Once we open the box, we found some kinds of instruction here with a lot of picture illustration, and it shows how does it work. Okay, so there is the difference with microfilter. It shows with different pattern. If the connector on the middle, this is called single master socket. If double master socket like that, either side or top or bottom, it's called double or dual master socket. All right, so now let's open up and check what is in there. So inside there is another plastic cover. Open it up. Also it shows what is inside, included in this box or packaging. So we're gonna get EE Smart Hub, microfilter, which is filter, broadband cable, Cat5 or Cat6 cable, and then welcome EE Smart Hub user guide, main power adapter, and Ethernet cable. So let's check if everything is there or not. Okay, and now I hope this is better view. Yeah, so microfilter, Ethernet cable or ADSL cable, Cat5 or Cat6 cable, and this is the power adapter. Okay, it comes with two parts. So this part goes right here. It's so simple, I believe. Yeah, click it, fine. So this is ready to go UK standard, and that is the actual Smart Hub. As you can see, wrapped with kind of plastic film protector, E logo in the middle, quite kind of matte finished, and I believe there are two gaps, so might be indicator lights comes or flashes up here like RGB, and quite similar to a BT home broadband router, even the slidey one. I'm quite surprised. End of the day, the design is similar to BT. How to set it up, we've seen what is in there, so let's check the last one. This is EE, okay, welcome Smart Hub user guide. I don't need the user guide, it's so simple to do that, but still if you want to learn something more about it, you can check. It shows even with the troubleshooting, I believe, how to set up. Okay, so we're gonna go and start setting up. First is first, we're gonna turn it off and take out, include the microfilter, okay, from the master socket. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to turn off the switch, which is, I believe, that one. Let me double check. It's quite messy here. So let's disconnect the microfilter from the master socket. That's the one. Okay, so it has two cables, one of them ADSL, another one for the telephone line. That's fine. And let's take this out as well. Good, that's the one. Good. And then let's take it out as well. Okay. So now we've taken out the old one. We're not gonna use this old microfilter because everything's applied new one. So in case if there was any issue, it's gonna be still going on if you don't change it. So leave it on the side and try to connect the new one with the new cable, everything new. So let's go back. I'm gonna connect in here. So it goes to the main socket, power connected. So that's the ADSL cable. I'm gonna open it up.
Okay.
So that's the actual microfilter. I'm gonna connect it right here.
Okay.
And this is the one for the phone.
Okay.
I'm gonna put it back like that.
Alright.
So this part goes to the master socket, which is right there.
Let me move that your way.
Yeah, that's fine. As you can see, guys, straight in here, and put the telephone line as well.
Because we never go around there, we never touch it.
Yeah. Alright, so it goes right here.
No one
Good.
touches
It's gonna make a click noise.
Okay.
That's fine. And now this is the time to put it back, the actual home broadband. So we found both cable. All right. So that's the actual home broadband. This is the power one. Goes to the power connector right here. Good. And that is the ADSL. It goes to the broadband one. Good. Fine. And that's all. If the power doesn't come on, we must need to press the power button, which is on now, little bit push down. Let's see if there is any light or anything.
Turn that off.
Yeah, I just want to see if there is any difference. All right, so it's like green RGB light, and it should be ready. Okay. And still, if you check at the back, my details are in here. I don't want to show you on the video, so your details would be other side of the card. Okay.
Yeah, you talk to me.
So make sure
Sorry.
you set it up like that, and then it should be fine. Hopefully they improve the capacity, because last time we was really suffering with the signal. It doesn't cover the upstairs, only the single room, you know. So that's all for today. Let me know if you do use EE home broadband, and what about the speed. Let us know in the comment section in your area. That might help others to get the right decision, because nowadays, honestly, almost all the broadbands same in speed, you know. So now, as you can see, this one, it seems is flashing little bit green and yellow, in between green and yellow. Okay, so it's going to be take a while to set up the Wi-Fi broadband. Take it easy. If you see like that, it's going to be stable for a minute. But as I was saying, let us know what the speed that you get in your area, so might be other can get some help to take the decision. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.